But now, sort of going into these agentic reasoning models, these agents are much more proactive and clear. They don't just like suggest actions from a black box, they actually break down the task that they're given. They decide how to approach it, and then they go execute those steps strategically themselves. And the way I like to think about it is that traditional LLMs are sort of like classifiers, right? They look at a task and they route it to a predefined agent or tool. They decide who should handle the next step, but they don't actually do the work themselves. But these smart orchestration reasoning models are like very smart, and they're smart orchestrators, right? So they can handle the whole entire production of a task or process. These models don't just route to the next task or to the next tool. So let's talk a little bit more about why reasoning really matters. So most AI systems today, even the strongest LLMs, are fantastic at what we call pattern matching. They can recognize context from either the prompt that they're given or any files that were uploaded or any other data that they have, and they can generate pretty fluent responses. But where they fall short is when they're faced with novel situations that they've never experienced before, or if they're given too much data and they sort of struggle to find the important context from the data that they're given. So, having this sort of smart orchestration reasoning model allows us to understand how the AI is thinking, and because it breaks the problem down into steps and it solves it strategically, um, and adapts if something changes mid process, we can actually understand, and it's able to explain their outputs, right? And they can also replan when assumptions fail.